Hello students, how are you? Today our topic is very interesting. Actually, you all know that the whole chemistry get divided into three major parts. First is inorganic chemistry, second one is physical, and third is organic chemistry. So my today's topic is the basic of inorganic chemistry, and that is how to write the electronic configuration of different elements. And the concept which we generally use to write the electronic configuration is Aufbau principle. Actually, Aufbau is not a name of scientist. Actually, Aufbau is a German word which means building up. Building up means the filling up of orbitals. So today I am going to start with Aufbau principle. What is Aufbau principle? According to Aufbau principle, in the ground state of an atom, electron first enters into the lowest energy level first, and the remaining or subsequent are arranged in order of their increasing energies. Okay, and the principle is as follows. Kindly note the white screen. Principle. According to this law or this principle, in the ground state of an atom, electron first enters into the lowest energy level first, and the subsequent are arranged in order of their increasing energies. Okay, take a look. Suppose these are these subshells, that is 1s, 2s, 2p. In third there are 3s, 3p, 3d. Next 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5f, 6p, and so on. You have to follow this arrow mark. First 1s, then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s. First subshell is 1s, then 2s, then 2p. Follow this arrow mark. This is 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, and so on. And these are the position of noble gases. This is neon, this is argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Okay, the exact definition of Aufbau principle is that in ground state of an atom, electron first enters in the lowest energy level first, and subsequent are arranged on the basis of increasing energy. What I want to say, that first electron enters in the lowest energy level first, that is 1s. After the filling of this 1s, then it enters into the 2s and then 2p and so on. Okay, I am going to take few examples. For example, we are going to write the electronic configuration of an element. Suppose hydrogen, oxygen, sodium. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? That is 1. This is 1s1. And if there is lithium, how can you write? The atomic number of lithium is 3. So s orbital contains maximum of 2 electrons, and the third electron passes to the next level, that is after 1s we are going to fill 2s. So it is 1s2, 2s1. 2 plus 1, 3. There are 3 electrons. Oxygen, atomic number of oxygen is 8, that is 1s2, next 2s2. After 2s, because in s orbital there are maximum 2 electrons, and after 2s there is 2p. This is 2p. So how many electrons are there in 2p? 2 and 2, 4. Remaining are 4. These are 8. Okay, first of all you have to keep in mind that S orbitals contain maximum of 2 electrons, P orbital contains maximum of 6 electrons, D contains 10 electrons, and F contains 14 electrons. Kindly note it down. I am going to write the electronic configuration of potassium. Potassium, atomic number of potassium is 19. That is 2, 8, 8, 1. These are what? These are 19 electrons. So the electronic configuration of potassium can be written as 1s2. After 1s, that is 2s, 2s2, then 2p6, because 6 contain maximum 3 electrons. P orbital contain maximum 3 electrons. After 2p, there is 3s and 3p. This is 3s. S contain 2 electrons. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 3s, it is 3p, 6. There are total 18 electrons and 1 electron left, which passes to next subshell, that is 4s. This is 4s. This is the exact electronic configuration of potassium. Okay, give a view on this electronic configuration. First orbital, this is first shell, it contains 2 electrons. This is second, it contains 8 electrons. This is third, it also contains electron, and the fourth shell contains only 1 electron. Now I am going to teach you how to write the electronic configuration using noble gases. Suppose this is an example of potassium. Its atomic number is 19. So you have to select that noble gas which have atomic number less than 19, that is 18. So how can you write the electronic configuration using noble gas? That is, potassium is equals to argon 18. You have to check that circle. The position of argon is this, that is 3p. So up to here 18 electrons get filled, and you have to write next orbital, that is 4s. After 3p, that is 4s. So 18 plus 1, this is 19. This is the electronic configuration of potassium in terms of noble gas. Okay, now I am going to take some random examples to write electronic configuration using noble gases. For example, atomic number X equal to 78. You can also write 43 or 59. Now I am going to write electronic configuration of any two written above. For example, I am going to write electronic configuration of element having atomic number 43. So you have to select the noble gas whose atomic number is less than 43. That is krypton. Krypton 36. What is the position or what is the circle of krypton? That is first, second, third. That is 4p. Up to 4p, it is krypton. After that 4p, this is 5s. S contain maximum of 2 electrons. Okay, and then 5s. After 5s, it is 4d. So how many electrons were there? This is 36, 37, 38, and 5 electrons can be written in d orbitals. This is 4d. Actually, this is the procedure for writing the electronic configuration, but you have to rearrange this because fourth shell always comes before fifth shell. So after rearrangement, the exact electronic configuration becomes this. This is the electronic configuration of 43. Now I am going to write the electronic configuration of 59. So what is the noble gas which is suitable? That is xenon. Xenon has atomic number 54. What is the position of xenon? That is 5p. After 5p, you have to fill 6s orbital. It contains 2 electrons. That is, this is 56, and 3 electrons still remains, which now pass over to 4f, because after 6s 4f orbitals is to be filled. That is 4f. Now we have to rearrange it because 4 shell comes before 6. This is the electronic configuration of 59. This is the way to write the electronic configuration using noble gases. But there are few exceptions which can be discussed in later videos. Thank you so much.